Morning everyone. So did you know that a 20-year warranty sometimes is worth less than a 5-year warranty? It really does depend. So we've had customers come in here and they have stacked warranties against each other and said, well, I can get a 20-year warranty on that log cabin. Why can I only get a 5 or a 10 on yours? And really it does depend, because sometimes a 20-year warranty isn't really worth that much, and you can't stack warranties against each other like that when you're just putting the numbers there, because one is not comparable with the other. So rather than just going for the number, kind of 20 years, the 10 years, whatever, you should be asking the right questions. Okay, so for example, what happens if a door needs adjusted? Is that something that they're going to have to do, or am I going to have to do? What exactly is covered by the warranty? What is excluded by the warranty? What maintenance do I need to record? Who handles the claim? The seller, the installer, the manufacturer? What happens if one component fails, but the rest of it remains sound? A proper supplier should be able to answer all of these questions. So when you talk to your supplier, when they say to you, well, we've got 10 years warranty, ask them these questions. Ask them, is the specific structure I'm getting, is that 10 years? Or is that just one structure? Is it a twin wall log cabin that's covered up by 10 years? Or a single wall log cabin? Think about it as more of a system rather than just a set number. Okay, hopefully that helps. If you want more advice like this, or if you want to find out more about our log cabins, please come to see us. You can come to our show site in Glasgow, or you can go online at logspan.com. If you want, send me an email at austin@logspan.com and I'll be able to get back to you. And if you want a quote, just call us up. Right? Our number is 01 389 500 505. All right, take care. Have a great day. See you later. Bye-bye.